In today's video, I will show you how you can make money online with the help of music. It doesn't matter if you are a phone user or a laptop user. For this method, you don't even need the help of any music producing software. You will get paid for uploading music that others have produced. Here you can see pages upon pages of the payment proof of people already using this trick and making anywhere from $1 to even $25 completely on autopilot. And today, I will teach you how you can do that too. So in step number 1, I will show you the website from where you will be getting your free songs to download, and don't worry, all the songs will be copyright free. This means you can use it anywhere you like without the worry of getting a copyright strike. In step number 2, I will show you the website from where you will be earning the dollar bills. So sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. Hey Money Crushers, I am Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. So the first step is to head over to this website called mixkit.co. This is a website where you can download assets for your project, absolutely for free. This website contains videos, music, sound effects, and video templates. But you already know we won't be using these assets to make a video project. Rather, we will be selling them. To download music for free, we will go over to the Music tab, which is located here at the top right. Once you are here, you will be able to see hundreds of audio files, which are free to listen to. These are all the songs available for you to download. From here, you can choose your desired genre of music, like ambient, hip-hop, trap, country, or anything else that you prefer. You can also choose mood and tags. Select the genre you like, and then scroll down. Here, you can see the music available in that genre, and you can also listen to any of them by clicking the play button right here. Now, what I want you to do is listen to some songs from any genre and choose the ones you like. After that, start downloading them. You can download any of them for free by clicking this tiny button right here. Go ahead and download some songs. Once you are happy with your collection, we will head over to the next step, where you will be making money. But before that, go ahead and smash that like button because it is free and it helps me a lot. Also, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future updates. I post every day to bring you new ideas for earning money. Now back to the video. So once you have downloaded some songs, you will go over to upforever.org. They provide cloud storage for free, and we will be using it to make money. You can see the features right here. It is the center to upload files and images, which as well as being free, it pays you. So you can make money from home. They also have a referral program where you will get 10% for referring others. Isn't that great? Easy money for you. Once you scroll down, you will be able to see their membership plan. You can get the normal membership for free or the premium membership, which gives you unlimited storage, no wait time for downloading, and no ads. You don't actually need the premium plan for this method to work, so don't worry. Here you can see the pricing plan of this site. They have 4 tiers. In Tier 1 we have the United States and Canada, in Tier 2 we have Australia, in Tier 3 we have Saudi Arabia and UAE, and the rest of the world comes in Tier 4. The pricing here means that if people from Tier 1 countries use this site to download your files, you will get paid $7 for every 1,000 downloads, $4 for Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries, and $3 for Tier 4 countries. The pricing can change anytime, and your profits will increase during holidays and festivals. So now, click the Sign Up button and make an account by filling in these details. You can also sign up with Facebook, Twitter, etc. Once you are logged in, you will be on your dashboard. Here you can see the big Upload button, which you will be using to upload music. You can also see the account balance, total storage space, and referral earnings. On the left side, there are many more options that you can go through, but the most important one is payment information. Let's head over there. Here you can see the different payment methods like PayPal, WebMoney, Skrill, and many more. They all have different minimum withdrawal amounts. You can choose any one you want and fill in the details. Now let's go ahead and upload some audio files here. To do that, you can click Upload Files. And from here, you can select and upload the songs that you just downloaded. But remember to follow their guidelines and don't upload anything that goes against their guidelines. Otherwise, you will get banned and all your hard-earned money will be lost. Now, once you have selected your file, you can give it a title. And for that, you can use the song's name and the artist's name written next to the songs you have selected. Just copy them and paste them here. And don't forget to change it to public, so that anyone with the link can download it. Now just click the Start Upload button. Once it is uploaded, you will get the link. Share it with your friends and family members. Once they click on the link, they will also be able to download it for free, but the link will redirect to a site that has some advertisements. And that's how this website will give you your share. Now for the bonus trick. This is for the ones who stayed till the end. You can give these links to whoever needs some no copyright songs. For example, you can help some YouTubers by providing them with these songs. Every content creator or YouTuber regularly needs background music for their projects. And it is hard these days to find some good, no copyright music for free. To find some YouTubers, content creators, video editors, etc., just head over to Facebook and search for small YouTubers. These groups have many small YouTubers. You can make a post here with your link that you are providing no copyright songs to download for free, and many people will be interested in what you are offering. You can join many other groups like content creators, video editors, or anything else. And also upload different genre of music for people with different music taste. Imagination is your only limit. If you can imagine that you are making money, then you can make money anywhere. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.